What's up, Eric? Chris here, the owner of CNP Marketing and Design, and in this video, I'm going to show you what you can do to bring more customers straight to your business using your website and Google Business Profile as the tools. The topics of today are going to be content, backlinks, and citations, and what they'll actually do for your business if you use these strategies. More importantly, how you could easily get an extra 66 jobs per month or more consistently by doing what I'm about to teach you right here in this video. But first off, man, I checked out the website. You finally got it up and running. And it is looking really nice. I love the logo. I like the design overall. The wording, the font, everything's kind of bold, right in your face, kind of sticks out. So over and above all, the design is great. Now, what I'm about to teach you with the video is going to actually teach you how to optimize this to generate revenue for your business and not just act as a nice place to send your customers to. And the first topic is page content. This page content is made up of the words, the images, and text behind the images called alt text that make up a certain page on your site. And you're going to need at least 1,500 to 2,000 words in your homepage to be optimized with Google, depending on your competition and keywords. And this is also going to give you a lot more opportunity to fill in with some buyer intent keywords that you're trying to rank and get business for. And a buyer intent keyword is a word or phrase searched in Google that indicates they're ready to buy your services. For example, if somebody looked up pressure washing companies in New Orleans, right? You know that they're looking to get a pressure washing job done, and it's in an area that you target. When you rank for these words, you come up first and get more customers already looking to buy. And to sum it up, Google loves information and relevancy. And in your content, you can place these keywords that tells Google exactly what terms you want your website to be put in front of when people search for them. That's only not going to allow you to rank for these words in the first place, but if you do it right, it allows you to be very, very hard to beat, rank very fast and very effectively, even for the more difficult keywords. And this is why content is king, and it's the easiest and fastest way to rank for anything. So if we check out the amount of content that you have here on your front page and we compare it to one of your biggest competitors in the New Orleans area, which is ProClean, the cleaning specialist, we could see that there's a little bit of a difference when it comes to content. Now, with that being said, this website looks pretty good as far as content goes, but it's still not optimized, which is going to make it that much easier to beat these guys out and get all of the business that's going to their website to yours instead. And the second important topic I want to go over with you are backlinks. To do that, I'm going to go into a tool I use called Ahrefs that gives you the breakdown of the performance of a website. As you can see right now, I know your website just got up and running, but Google doesn't really know this thing exists yet, and it's not bringing in any business. So I'm going to hop over to your competitor's Ahrefs account and actually break down some of the numbers. And as you can see here, they weren't ranking for everything that you could be. So I went and did a little bit of extra research just to find out the best things for you. All right, so this is how their website's currently performing, and there's a lot of numbers up here, so I don't want to get you confused. So I'm going to break those down to you real quick. The UR is the power of their homepage, which is a ranking factor. The DR is the power of the entire website, also a ranking factor. The number of backlinks that are being sent to their website, the number of websites sending those backlinks, and I'll break this down for you in a second. The number of keywords that they're ranking for, and the estimated amount of traffic by Ahrefs that this website is actually getting. Now, it's typically about 5 to 10 times higher than what's reflected in Ahrefs because it's impossible to know the actual traffic of a website unless you have code directly embedded into that website, such as Google Analytics. So this is probably closer to about 5,000 searches that this website's getting every single month. And that is a massive amount of opportunity for leads that you're missing out on by not utilizing these practices. So now to break down what backlinks are. A backlink is super simple. It's just another website linking to yours through theirs, either through a clickable text or image. So if I clicked on this link right here and it brought me up to their website, that's an example of this website sending their website a backlink. Now the idea is that these links act like an endorsement of your website from other sites that Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouch for you. It's just like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins, but not all backlinks are created equal. You want more powerful and relevant sites linking to give you more authority in Google's eyes because quality always wins with backlinks. And by relevant, I mean if you know the pressure washing sites linking to, that's going to do a heck of a lot more for you than a site like Pizza Hut for obvious reasons, right? Now we can actually dive into what their backlinks are to find out what they're using to be so successful and use it as a roadmap to beat them at their own game. So if we know that they have a backlink that's worth, let's call it 20 points, we know that you need a backlink that's going to be worth 25 or 30 points in order to beat that one. And that's a very simple way of putting it, but that's exactly how it works. So I want to take a look at some of their keywords real quick to find out what they're actually using and ranking for. So pressure washing New Orleans, this would be a perfect one to go after. It gets on average 400 searches every single month. And even them being in the third position, they're getting what is estimated to be 50 searches from that one keyword. Imagine if you just ranked in the top position for one keyword. If you had 400 extra eyes on you every single month for pressure washing, how many more jobs do you think you'd get off of that? right? And this is the opportunity that is being missed out on by not ranking for these keywords. And there are a ton of these keywords in every single area. Every single service has their own keywords as well. Now, I'll give you the breakdown of some of those numbers and how they work here at the end of this video. But first, I want to take a look at a Google search real quick. The first thing you see here is an ad, and ads are amazing if you do it right, but if you don't, they become a serious money pit and money waster. But this leads me to my last topic, and this is an amazing tool called the Google Map Pack. Many people go here first to find a business that fills their needs, and getting ranked in here in the top position typically means at least an extra 40 or 50% more calls than top organic ranking alone with just the website. Now, we'll get you ranked here amongst other things as having a stronger and larger citation profile than your competitors. And the citation is your business's name, address, and phone number submitted in a directory such as Yelp and Yellow Pages. And there are a lot of other ranking factors, but your organic ranking with your site and citations are some of the absolute biggest. You could also rank in multiple areas all at once using the same profile, as well as capture all of those near me keywords like pressure washing near me. So let's say, for simplicity's sake, I know you're over here in Slidell, so let's say your Google business profile is right there. The more powerful your Google business profile gets, the larger the area it's going to cover right around it. So now you have people from all of these different areas contacting you because they looked up for something related to pressure washing service, pressure washing companies near me, and you're popping up here in this top position getting all of that business for it. So once these strategies are all coming together and you're beginning to outgrow your competitors, here's what you might be looking at and why it's worth it. So I just picked a few of the keywords, and this isn't all the areas that you target or all of the keywords for this one area either, but I picked just keywords from New Orleans for now. So out of these keywords, that's 1,530 searches every single month on average, and if you converted just 3% of that into paying customers each month, which is a low ball, that's 46 jobs per month just from your website. Now, if you couple that with the Google Business Profile, you're looking at least an extra 66 jobs per month consistently. Like I said, not including all the other keywords or all the other areas captured by your Google Business Profile. So how do we actually find these numbers, though? The average click-through rate of somebody in the top position of Google is 28.5%, meaning if I looked at pressure washing New Orleans, this guy in the top position is going to typically get about 28.5% of the site visits. Now, seeing as it's Yelp, they're probably going to come down here to the second one, but if these were all local businesses, that top one would get 28.5%. 60 to 80% of those will actually call your business or fill out a lead form, and if your closing rate is about 50%, which it typically is at least getting leads this way, here's what the numbers look like from just your website. If you're in the top position for a buyer intent keyword that brings in 100 searches per month, you can expect to close about 8 to 11 deals per month on average by maintaining that top position. I just like the lowball at 3% being the minimum, even though it's often higher because, hey, nobody's ever upset with the lowball, right? And I'm not sure what your margins are specifically, but if you multiplied your average profit per job with the number of jobs you would get, what could you be making this year if you did this? And Eric, this is what I do for a living, and while this video is going to help you start generating a really good amount of revenue, if you want to step it up, go after larger areas, more keywords, or if you just have any questions whatsoever about any of this, you're more than welcome to give me a call or text at 330-978-5004, or just shoot me a message back. Either way, I would really appreciate just a line of feedback so I know whether or not you got some value out of this. But thank you so much, Eric. Have an amazing rest of your day, and I will talk to you soon, my man.